playground there, oh. Mamaya, let's pay first. Or go to the airport daw. Ayun, oh.
Ayun, a payment for swimming entrance. Dito rin picture taking pala.
Let me see. Yeah, let's go to the airplane. Can we go to CR first? Yeah, my bag. Yes po. Go to there, to the airplane. Just pretend, ha? May event ata. Here's Greece. Yeah, you go there. Gonna take picture. Dali.
Oh no, what should I do first?
Greece. The castle. What's that? A princess. There's the playground dun sa other side daw. Let's go.
Princess, I'm inside. Now Dad. Dad, did you up?
Playground na lang, nak. Wala tayong dalang damit eh. Go. Go. Go play.
Next time, when we check in dyan sa ano.
Ito yung pool nila. Medyo maliit lang. Here's the pool. That's India, Kian. There, the Egypt, oh, there, oh, the pyramid. It's the Egypt. Kian, don't get inside. What's that? A train? That's a train. Choo-choo, drive the train. It's the Christmas village. Kian? Oh, go to the Christmas tree. Ayan si Santa. Oh, go to Santa. Come on. Go to Santa.
Ano yan, guys?
There, picture tayo dun sa colored stones, oh.
Wow, cornerstone, Alpha.
Okay, can we picture please? Oh, wait lang. Let's go to Brazil. Andun yung Brazil.
Parang ano naman to, yung sa
Ang lawak pa pala.
St. Jesus, ayan o.
Israel.
Ito yung ano, compartment.
Ayun pa, meron pa
Station of
dun.
the Cross.
Ah, Station of the Cross.
Ayan o. Buo pa tayo ng ano.
Ito yung parang pang Holy Week. Puro mga Station of the Cross. And dun yung...
Na tayo bukas.
Ayan.
Punta tayo dito.
Ito na dulo na ata to.
Uwi kami.
At uulan na po.
Papa, I didn't touch me. I'm gonna go to stairs. So you can see me up.
Let's go home. Uulan na.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Tabi na. Yan, meron din for rent na e-bikes kung gustong libutin yung lugar. The Igloo House. What's there in the Igloo House? Ah, para sang function room. Function room. It's so init. Amoy semento.
The power. How about the airplane?
Airplane, come on. Let's go to the airplane picture. This is Chinatown. And then the Eiffel Tower. Okay, picture tayo dyan, Kian. Here's their Lego house. Ayan. Lawak pa pala. Meron pa pala doon.
I saw there's a swimming.
Ano siya? Swimming pool.